pagbago. Ang dami ng bago dito.
Yeah. Wow. Yung $1 ice cream, here's a $1.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Sabi ko kasi, sa pag sobrang dami ng choices na ano ka, nakaka-overwhelm kung saan ka nakakain. Diba? Tapos,
Keep the sky alive.
so dito tayo sa Haji Lane. Maraming kainan dito, pero ang isang problem dito sa Singapore, so sobrang daming kainan, overwhelmed ka na lang kung saan kakakain. Good thing, meron tayong local recommendations and mamimit siya natin ngayon. Friend ni Mia, which is local from here, and then we'll get recommendations kung saan kakain, saan tatambay, saan pupunta. So we'll just share it to you guys. Hi!
In Singapore, you are from Sydney, is it? Yeah. Boogie juice is a coffee.
Sino sa okay lang? Hello! Ooh! Good? Yes? We're here at the famous Mural Street. Pero ang daming basura na dadaanan. Basura in a sense na dito na yung mga basurahan nila pero hindi siya magulo tingnan. So, pwede ka namang makaspot ng place kung saan mo gustong mag-picture. Like this one, this side, that side. Okay na. Okay. Hello. We found it. Yep. Hey.
Hanggang 3 lang ako ngayon.
You don't even know what that's right. I believe. Yes, wow. Ano yan? Oh, ito yung architect natin. Kumusta? Kumusta mga project dito? Archie. Very good. So amazing. I see buildings and trees alongside. Ano lang. Time check. It's 8:25. In 5 minutes, magbubukas na yung light show. And we will be watching from afar. Parang kita-kita natin yung super trees. And it's all light up. Super nice.
Ang dami ng bago dito.
Yeah.
Kailan ba tayo pumunta dito? 2020.
2020, New Year, before pandemic, wala pa tong access bridge from Marina Bay to, yeah. At hindi ka na maiinitan, so super convenient. And nakaka-amaze pa din, kahit ilang beses mo na siya nakita. Still a new experience.
Paano yung amaze?
Amazed! Ganyan. O, diba? Ang iingay. Oh. Ano, JC? Kumusta?
Hi, welcome to BGC.
Ganto ka ako. Nung space? Dream mo to, makapag-project ka ng ganito kalaki. Book na si Howard. Oh. Ganda?
Butcheron. Nagmamahal na butcheron mo, Andrea.
Mag-bet ka lang.
Crash out na natin. Alsa tayo.
Hello! Oh my God! Wala na yun. Yeah, uwi na tayo.
Let's go.
Gago!
Okay na, may magbili ko ng popcorn. Nabawi ko yung mga pinambayad ko sa popcorn. Asan dito yung station na may sipon?
Station na may sipon.
Anong color? Kilo naman.
Wala din, tingnan mo na lahat.
Hindi. Anong color nga?
Blue.
Blue.
Kachu!
Nabali ba ako ng order? Yan.
Hello! Dito kami ngayon sa Penang Road. Kasi pupunta dapat kami sa Fort Canning Tunnel. Kaso biglang umulan. Naka-zoom. Ilan, puti ko.
Naka-zoom ba?
Hindi kasha yung mukha ko sa screen. So yun, pupunta kami sa Fort Canning Tunnel. Kasi magpapapicture si JC doon. Nakapunta namin before and umuulan, so coffee muna kami before we go there. Sama namin kayo dun.
One of the most iconic Instagrammable place here in Singapore is the Fort Canning Tunnel. So ito, sobrang hirap niya hanapin nung first time kami pumunta. And if you can hear, for sure merong long queue to take pictures here. And I can't blame them because it's very Instagrammable and you can do this totally for free. So let's check kung ilan yung linya. Feeling ko mahaba. Look at this. And the lines. Oh, okay. Not too long. Kumusta ang pila, sir?
Ito, mainit, pero laban.
Pumunta tayo dito, pumila tayo.
Yeah, pamila tayo. So, surprisingly, hindi ganun kahaba yung pila. Because kung napapansin nyo, kakaulan lang. So, right after ng ulan, dumiretso kami dito. Meron lang pila agad. The best time to go here is in the morning. Yung wala masyadong tao. Kasama natin sa ating SG trip si Mia. She owns the place. We're at Mama Mia. We're at Mama Mia. Pang ilang branch ko na to, Mia?
This is the first flagship. Flagship!
And JC, of course. First time niya sa Singapore. How is it so far?
So far,
So far malayo.
the weather is good. It's very cheap here.
So let's eat lang muna. Very random kasi wala kami itinerary for this trip. Wala tayong itinerary for this trip. But after the food,
What pasta are you gonna order?
I'll have the mafalda.
Per chair. Gumawa ko ng isang chair dito.
Mafalda,
Spicy?
yeah, seafood. Pero gusto mo ba? Hali tayo?
Parang hindi
Or magana ka?
No, he ordered the cheese and pepper na.
Ah, sige. Yung ano na lang. Seafood spicy cream
Ay.
sauce.
Oh, di mga ano.
168.
May mangkukulam dito.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright. And then after ng food, sobrang random kasi maglalaro kami ni Mia ng... Ano lalaroin natin, Mia?
10-20!
Talaga bang sobrang random?
Hindi ba? Grabe, naabot na kami ng ulan. Meron kaming adventure ni Mia. We'll be playing pickleball with the locals here. Nai-connect lang kami through Facebook community.
So yeah, the friends from Philippines. And
Yes.
this is our game too. Yeah, but they'll come over and play with us.
Yeah, thank you!
Like to be much. And we can play from 7 until 9:30.
Saya! Kasi, yan lang yun kanina. Silang tatlo lang kanina. Nice rally. Vlog of one person. Sumabot kami sa SEA Games Championship. So, joke lang. Hello! It's our last day in Singapore. And naalala ko pala, di ko napakita sa inyo kung saan kami nag-stay. We're staying at Stevens, and I'm not sure if it's Stevens Road, Stevens Avenue. But sobrang importante na malapit ka sa sobrang importante na malapit ka sa MRT. Very accessible kasi yung mode of transportation na gagamitin nyo most of the time is through the railway, and doon kayo makakatipid. And this is our service apartment. Yan. We have napakalinis. Malinis na siya ngayon. Ngayon ko lang tayo siya pinag kasi malinis. First room, may comfort room dyan. And then, may sala. And then the other room. Ayan, si Taylor Swift palabas na. Tapos na yung concert niya. Excuse me. Ano to? Nag-check-in ba kayo talaga kayo dito? Ba't ang linis ng ano nyo? Ang linis ng room nyo. And we're all set. We still have one full day to roam around Singapore. Singapore! I like the ASMR. So merong dalawang taong pumupunta dito sa library. Yung iba nababasa. Yung iba nag-Instagram. Sino ka doon?
Never give up on yourself. There's always another option. Birthday affirmation.
Talking to you now.
What's that? Mandala.
Bakit?
Yeah, volume 2 na to. Okay, dalawa, yes.
Isa lang sa bali.
Tapos silang mo.
Here, compared dun sa Haji Lane.
Oo. Kasi mas ano siya eh.
Ay,
Kung may kamukha lang yung pusa ko dyan, kukuha yun.
cute. Si Ngangaw, tsaka, si Nognog, tsaka si... Ano name ni isa? Si Momo.
Oh my God, ang galing.
10,000 isa.
$13.
Pare.
Sakto lang, mura lang.
$13 is...
Ano? Dati naman di ko ganyan mag-drawing. Grabe. Effective? Low eh. Low. Low. Ano to? Ba't ganyan ka mag-drawing?
Oh, hindi ako nag-drawing yan.
Uy, music! Grabe. Sige, paano mo burahin?
Hindi, double tap sa pen.
Ganun, binaliktad niya yung 20.
Sa pen.
Ano ito?
Huwag tayo maingay, ha?
What's that?
Baraha.
Lalaro ko.
And knife.
Nawala na
May pusoy sa Yuchia.
Ganda dito, bro.
Ano ang matalo mo nilibre ng tattoo?
Tatatuan ko kayo. Huwag dalang pa.
Yan yung ID niya.
Nakaka-prefer.
Sinong may 3 flowers?
Maglaro. Ay, maglaro.
Magpatagal.
Gano'n?
Patas. Aba.
Iba pa sweet lang lagi.
Okay.
Me, 5. Pasikat may camera lang, 2 agad. Ano yun? Grabe. Oh, pass.
Pass.
Kasi yun. Iba diskarte to, Mari.
Diba?
Straight down. Yung panglaban tayo.
Flash ulit.
Flash ulit.
Sorry, daming plan.
Ha?
Pass.
Ikaw.
Pass.
Yeah, thanks, Shao.
Thanks, Ao. Hindi ah.
Hindi ah.
Ano yun? Na-record yun kanina eh. Ikaw nagsabi.
Nag-agree ba kayo?
Ikaw nagsabi oh. Oh.
Burahin mo yan.
Pinili mo?
Siyempre.
Patingin.
Ewan ko ba't hindi
Parang sa'yo ni ano ni Gino.
Eternal
Oh
Sunshine.
my God.
Ay, wow.
Kaya pala,
So meron na agad.
Kaya pala di-
album.
kaya di ako sinama. Kasi ayoko kaya riyan.
The Fray.
Ah, okay. It's good.
Another The Fray. And Tomish.
Ah!
That's for you.
Okay, got my record. I'm happy.
And I got mine.
Sobrang ganda dito. It's our first time in this, my first time in this area. And ang daming interesting shops. And hindi siya ganun ka-chaotic kasi feeling ko konti pa lang yung nakaka-discover dito sa area na to. Walang masyadong tourist. And maraming shops, maraming kainan, maraming everything. Nice. Cute. Nandito yung mga traditional houses. Yun yung Instagrammable houses ng Instagram ng SG. So you can find it here at Jude Chat. Cute. Time now is 5 minutes to 7. Pero ang liwanag pa rin. Wow, super nice. What a view. And wala masyadong tao dito pag dito ka pumunta. At manood ng... Ano ba to? Waterfalls? Just amazing. Grabe, ang galing. Ang galing ng pagkagawa. Look at that. Ah! Super nice. Cute. Very nice. We also travel with our dogs, so we document places where we can bring our dogs from accommodation to accommodation. But we haven't tried bringing them along to an airplane.
Oh, I see. Also just within the country.
Yeah, within the country. Hopefully soon.
Yes.
Yeah. Enjoy Japan. Documents lang daw. Wala na yung passport eh. Wala na passport.